Okay, welcome back. I wanted to point out something. Go to options, subtitles. You can't go to it for some reason. Don't ask me why, but you can't. So that's kind of interesting. I thought I'd share that with you. I found it interesting anyway. Interesting that subtitles isn't a thing you can use. Racist against subtitles. I don't know. It's a bit mean though. Oh God, you died. I should probably get some ammo, just to make sure. Spider-Bot glove. How much is a Spider-Bot? It's not that expensive, actually. Then again, you don't really have much of a reason to use it. In fairness, it's kind of one of the. It's one of the weapons where it's helpful for one or two things. It's one of those kind of weapons. Now here. Hurry. Oh, I forgot about this. Okay, I'll do it next time, I guess. Please kill it. Oh shit! Well, I'm dead. Well, fuck. Goodbye. And that went well, didn't it? I think it did. Of all the things that went well, that was one of them. The one thing I have an issue with the bouncer is it doesn't lock on well enough. Oh, that reminds me, there was a mod upgrade place in the desert. I don't know why it reminds me. Oh, because lock-on mods, that's why. Yeah. There was a mod upgrade place. I didn't actually use it, but it was interesting to know it was there. It's pretty much right at the beginning. Just to the left a little bit, I think. How much time do I have? Yeah, I wouldn't have made it. You see, I need to do this. This is my destiny. No, but really, I need to do this. I need to do it this way. I'll wait for that to run out, and then I'll go for it. There we go. So, I did not mean to do that. Go! I have charge boots, I'm an idiot. I'm actually an idiot, I almost failed. And there's some more nanotech. There's quite a lot of nanotech in this area, actually. 2 already, which is pretty cool. But nanotech, yeah! Everyone loves nanotech, right? I might be wrong about me saying there's 8. I think there's actually 12. I was gonna say, can I not fire while I'm in the air? Oh dear. Please kill them. Thank you. So, what do I have to do now? Oh, I remember now. Yeah. Fire. Kill. Yeah. I think the Spider-Bot glove is one of those things where you have to upgrade it in the first level, because don't know why in challenge mode the first few levels it just upgrades weapons faster than normal. Don't ask me why. It just seems to work out that way. But I think that's sort of the method I'm gonna have to use. Right. Kill. Ow. Please. Oh my god. Ah! Here's an idea. Fire. Run. Crazy idea, I know. You don't want to die, do you? You really don't. There. That is revenge. I'm about to die, I've just realised. Right, that opens both doors, there's no doubt going to bring a horde of enemies at my disposal. Right, I'm gonna go across here. I believe it leads to a platinum bolt. So let's do that, shall we? Okay. Something witty should probably be said right now, but I have got nothing. I have literally got absolutely fuck all for what just happened. Wouldn't even let me home in. Not home in, you know, lock on to the target at all. Bullshit. I've just realised how much money I have. That was almost stupid. Go. Bouncer's good, but these enemies are really annoying. Plasma Core is really good. I'm looking forward to upgrading that. I'm really looking forward to upgrading that. Okay, it does let me use it while I'm in mid-air, so why didn't it before? Oh shit. Please get him. Thank you. Right. I will fire when ready. I'm ready. I was going to say, you didn't kill it. Why? Why did the bouncer fail me so? Okay, the bouncer better not fail me here where it did last time. Since the bouncer's nearly upgraded, this is great. But yeah, it failed miserably. Why? Don't fail. Demand it. Okay, cool. Right. I think that went well. This time, what I'm going to do is I'm going to activate this because I knew that was going to happen. I saw that coming a mile off. There is a continue in here, so it wouldn't be the worst thing activating that because I can go backwards. It was kind of stupid the way I did it last time, but oh well. You get 4 bouncer, that's pretty good. 4 bouncer at a time is really good considering its power. Right. Oh shit! And that's why I got the checkpoint. Because I can do this as many times as I want. Hi guys, I missed. How are you? Let me fire. Thank you very much. Destructive force. Boom. You thought I missed, didn't you? But no, I didn't. Okay, maybe I did. Ow, stop hitting me. I'm slightly worried for what will come out of this door. That's why I shall fire. Now! How did that work? You get quite a lot from that, I must say. From those enemies you get a lot of experience. Oh, I remember what's next. It's the sort of like an assault course, but not, if that makes any sense. Up we go though. I might kill myself actually, because I'll need health for when I get to the top. Actually, no, I'll be fine. I'm sure I'll be fine. Yeah, I'm fine. It'll be good. It's sort of like an assault course, but not. You just gotta sort of know what you're doing. Eee. Hello, obstacles. I can get over this, right? Yes, I can. Cool. I wonder. Actually, that wouldn't work. Oh, I remember what I have to do. Right, do that, and then that. I think. Yeah. Yeah, I remember. Cool. And that should be it. I think. Get the bouncer out. You'll need it. Trust me. You'll need it. Oh, at least I got a continue point, so it doesn't matter. Okay. Well, not too much. It doesn't matter too much in comparison to what it could matter. Oh, they hit the switches. That's brilliant. That's actually brilliant programming. Their programs hit the switches. That's ingenious. It's better work. Please, for the love of God. Are they all dead? Apart from you guys. I'm nearly dead though. Shit! Kill him! Is that all of them? Am I missing anything? Or was that it? Let me find out. There's the one in a corner. Oh, Jesus Christ! Please, for the love of God, hit him. Please get him. I said that jokingly. I didn't actually expect it to happen, okay? Okay. This is the Megacorp Games. They were technically not at the games, you know. Surprise enemy! No, that would suck. I think you need a lot of bolts here. I can't remember how much exactly, but it's a lot. Hey, it's the guy from the first game.
Hey, you two going to the games?
Yeah? What's it to ya?
Whoa, take it easy, Chief. I ain't looking for no trouble. Just an honest man looking to make an honest buck.
I sincerely doubt that.
Hey, I ain't the one trying to get into a sold-out arena. You're gonna need this levitator to get in there.
Ugh.
Nice doing business with you again. Time for me to, relocate.
The instructions are in Blargian.
Goodbye.
And it says here, tab A goes into slot B. Okay, and then magnetize the graviton matrix, remove your left arm, what? And done.
You do have skills.
You know it.
Stand on the levitator pad and press X to fly. Hold down X to gain altitude. The levitator stops functioning when the fuel meter is empty.
Yes, this thing's pretty cool. I quite like it. I like the levitator. And we're here. So I guess, see you in the next part, because... oh, this is going to be long.